for free. Grow like weed. Most people use their mouse for everything. It's slow, inefficient, and honestly, kind of painful when you are working for hours. Whatever you are writing emails, editing documents, or just browsing the web, you are losing minutes every single day. Here are 5 basic keyboard shortcuts that everyone should know. These are the foundation of fast computer work. Let's go. Shortcut number 1 is Ctrl plus C. Highlight any text for file. Press Ctrl plus C and boom, it's copied to your clipboard. No right click needed. Let's copy the first shortcut. Ctrl plus C. Shortcut number 2 is Ctrl plus V. Paste. Paste what you copied with Ctrl plus V. It works in documents, emails, browsers, everywhere. Let's just paste what we copied before. Ctrl plus V. Here we go. Shortcut number 3. Ctrl plus Z. This for undo. Made a mistake? Ctrl plus Z undoes your last action. It's a lifesaver in Word, Photoshop, even Excel. So let's delete this last sentence. Ctrl plus Z works like magic. Ctrl plus Z, I take it all back. Shortcut number 4, Ctrl plus S, is for save. Don't lose your work. Ctrl plus S saves your life. Shortcut save your file instantly. Get in the habit of pressing it every few minutes. Press Ctrl plus S for fast saving and save. Shortcut number 5, Alt plus Tab. Switch windows. Multitasking, Alt plus Tab lets you jump between open apps lightning fast. No more clicking around. To switch between windows, press Alt plus Tab. And here you can switch between those two. Easy, right? Here you got quick summary of all those shortcuts. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for the silver series, and drop comment with your favorite shortcut.